Gotta give it to the people that were able to make it through, because this is no joke.
Hey Sunshines, and welcome back to Slim Thick Curls. So back in May during quarantine, I decided to do the Chloe Ting 2-week shred challenge, and this actually became the very first video I ever recorded for YouTube, but never posted it until now. And I wanted to take you guys on my day one journey of this challenge, which consists of 2 videos totaling 23 minutes, and the only thing needed is an exercise mat. So today I'm going to do the Do This Every Day to Lose Weight and Abs in 2 Weeks videos. So let's get it, let's go. I'm starting off full of energy, feeling like I got this because I'm not new to this. I used to wake up at the crack of dawn and hit the gym at 5 o'clock in the morning with my husband 5 days a week. But see, this is why it's important not to live in the past and live in reality, because your girl almost went down. I ain't worked out for real in about 3 years, but it's cool though, because as you saw, I didn't go down and I got right back in formation.
To say this workout is no joke. I'm out of breath, I'm sweating, and I haven't even made it through the first video yet. There's 3 sets on the first video and it's showing I'm at 85% right now. But I'm gonna keep going to get through this video and the next video. Whew. Gotta give it to the people that were able to make it through, because this is no joke. Alright, let the workout continue.
We just did a 10-second rest and now I'm jumping back in to complete the last 13% remaining on the video. Right here I'm doing the Heisman, and I like that she shows you how to do the regular version and the no jumping low impact version, but as you can see I opted to jump and do the regular version. And now it's time to get back on the floor so I can do the bicycle crunch. I'm not a fan of the floor exercises, but I gotta do what I gotta do to reach my goal. Now don't mind these bad camera angles. As I said, this was the first video I've ever recorded for YouTube, so the angles were clearly not the best. I'm finishing up with my high knee raises. I got passion twists flying all around everywhere and smacking me in the face. But I don't even care at this point because I'm at the finish line for this first video, which consisted of 3 sets with 7 exercises per set. So that means I just did 21 exercises.
Alright, I just finished episode 1 of day 1, which is the Do This Every Day to Lose Weight video. I guess you could say I survived. I'm sweating all over the place. I feel like I did a workout at the gym. And I'm feeling it. And not just in my abs, but I'm feeling it everywhere. So now I'm getting ready to do episode 2, 2 weeks abs workout challenge. Pray for me, y'all. Let's start.
Now this is supposed to be a leg raise clap, but there was no clapping going on in my video. But in Chloe Ting's video, she was clapping it up. For the second video, abs in 2 weeks, I only have to do 21 exercises, which is a little bit less than the previous video, but I was super excited that it was less because I'm tired, y'all. My mind is telling me no, but my body is screaming. I don't want to hurt my body, but it's too late. Woo. Did you hear those vocals? Yeah. I feel like my workout today was just as bad as that singing. Slim don't equal fit, y'all. Slim don't equal fit. I'm still in struggle mode, but I've come too far to quit now. I completed 76% of the workout so far, so now I just have to finish doing these bicycle crunches and 3 more exercises, and then day 1 will officially be done. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell.
It's over. And I barely survived. But I'm so glad it's over. 13 more days of this. I hope each day gets better and I get stronger.
I'm recording my body measurements from day 1 and will do it again once I finish the challenge so I can come back and let you guys know if this challenge worked for me or not, and if so, what changed. Now, I purposely didn't weigh myself because I personally just never do. The only time I ever get weighed is when I go to the doctor. I personally care more about the inches than the pounds, and plus over time, I eventually want to gain more muscle weight. I was over here cracking up at these body image pictures, not because of how my body was built, but because I was making some of the not so cute faces for these shots. Then here comes my husband looking at the exact same thing and gonna say, "Why your booty looks so small?" Sir, it's the same booty on camera as it is in person. He was trying to crack jokes because I'm always joking with my friends that I got a big old badunkadunk.
So it's not the biggest or smallest or anything of that nature. I'm more so doing this to be as healthy as possible. Also to get back to the shape that I was in after I had my daughter. And I know that's probably gonna sound really weird, but I was toned when I was pregnant, and literally when I came home from the hospital, my stomach was flat. So right now, it's not flat. So just want to get back into shape, have more energy, things of that nature, and just do a total body transformation. I'm trying to be slim thick.
And cut. Now when I say slim thick, I mean my version of slim thick, not what most people think slim thick is. I'm talking about being slim in the tummy and slim in the waist, and we'll talk about the thick part at a later date in another video. And action.
So we'll see if these workouts help me to get slim in the tummy, slim in the waist. So hopefully.
Toodles. Mwah.